Hello and welcome back to the second part of the unboxing of Bloodborne. Now we will be unboxing another expansion, another exclusive expansion. This time it's Chalice Dungeon. Okay, we have the rules for this expansion. In the core box we had 4 campaigns. In this box we have scenarios, individual scenarios you can play instead of a campaign. And this box also comes with a PvP mode for players who like to play against other players. You have the rules for that PvP mode, and these are the screens to hide your game. And we have more city tile sets. Let's get these out. So we have more miniatures, more hunters, more player characters. There's quite a lot of hunters you can choose from. More enemy cards. And we have more miniatures, more hunter miniatures, the rest are enemies. Let's take a look at this. This is a miniature for another boss. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, let's put this away and move on to another box. This is the last box that comes with my pledge. This is a box that contains, the Blood Moon box that contains exclusive Kickstarter stretch goals. And we have more minis and more dashboards for the hunters. Lots of hunters. More enemy cards. Mini cards, enemies, and more enemy miniatures. This is a giant spider, must be another boss. Let's have a look at this one. And this one. These are hunter miniatures. This hunter uses a wheel as a weapon. These are chests miniatures. So, and this concludes the unboxing of Bloodborne. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.